Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Back up now so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once backed up, plug the iPhone 7 into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. This shows available iOS versions. If an update is listed, tap Download and Install. This first action both downloads the installer and verifies compatibility, which prevents partial installs and data loss. Once the download completes, you'll be prompted to install. Tap it to start. Enter your passcode when asked so the installer can modify system files. This is necessary for security. The iPhone will prepare the update, then reboot into the installer. Make sure you do not disconnect power or Wi-Fi. Interruptions can corrupt the update. The process may take 20 to 40 minutes depending on size and device speed, and the phone will restart automatically several times. After installation, follow the final setup prompts. Sign into your Apple ID, review privacy settings, and make any choices about Siri and location services. Once on the home screen, confirm the new iOS by checking Settings General About. If the update fails or the phone is stuck on the Apple logo, try a force restart first. If that doesn't work, connect to a computer and use iTunes, Finder on newer Macs, to restore from the backup you made. This restores functionality while preserving your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.